Welcome back to the show. Let's talk to Jeremy Lyon, consultant at Hobart Capital, and our very own Rob Double, political commentator. Morning, gents. Right, let's kick off with you, Jeremy. FTSE hit 16-week low as fears rise on North Korea. Sterling, weak. Is it going lower?
Well, we hope not, but certainly last week it was showing up as to the effects of 1 year in now since we started to divide value, the effects on the major importers of our economy, which showed up in Dixons' statement last week, where the share price fell over 20%.
Yep.
And the market really took it as quite a shock, which really it shouldn't have been, because a great proportion of their figures, of their imports, and what they show in the shops are imported. And the margins are being squeezed like mad. And there's a huge price pressures from the competition on the high street. It's quite interesting. The other thing he made an excuse of, that the reason was that there hadn't been new products on mobile phones, which is one of their most profitable sides. But the interesting thing is that what new gizmo or what new product is going to make people want to buy and change their telephones. And I have seen something only yesterday, of virtual reality, which is one of those where you put a box on and you have your phone on the front of it, and you can see either music or concerts in visual reality, and it's really quite spectacular. And I think it will incentivize people to change their phones. It'll be something that you'll see over the next 6 to 9 months.
Virtual reality, mobile phones. You sound like a youngster. Rob, what's on your agenda this morning?
North Korea is going to be dominating the headlines. So the fallout from the missile firing yesterday is a clear escalation. The UN Security Council has unanimously condemned the actions. What it means in terms of a response internationally is slightly more opaque at the moment. Donald Trump has said he's not ruling anything out in terms of response. Our own Theresa May, the Telegraph's reporting this morning, has not ruled out cyber or military responses to North Korea if they continue illegal missile firing. So that's going to be interesting to see how that develops, particularly when America wakes up again, whether we get any more news on the response to that. And Brexit, I suppose, in the context of Japan as well, because Theresa May is over there for a 3-day meeting and 3-day tour. Japan has made it clear that the EU trade deal is what they're going to prioritise. They're too unsure about what Brexit means at the moment to prioritise any kind of trade deal with the UK. So it's going to be interesting to see how Theresa May plays that and what are the lines we're going to get out of that today and in the next couple of days as well.
Finally, Jeremy, in terms of the markets, we talked about everything being in place with some sort of fall in the fall. Are you still a bear for choice?
Oh, most certainly. I mean, the effects of sterling is a classic case, because if you look at against what the price of the euro is, which is absolutely appreciated by over 25% in the last 18 months, and that's going to really hurt those people who are importing from the euro. It is a big worry.
So seller for choice. Gents, thank you very much indeed.
Okay.